बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, कैसे आप सब? उम्मीद ढेर अच्छे होंगे। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस क्लाइंट एंड सर्वर। Client and server. A computer network is referred to as client or server if there is at least one centralized and powerful computer called server, to which many computers called clients are connected and service the clients. In this network, server acts as a host and other computer clients access server. A server is typically more powerful computer than clients. It has high processing speed, more memory, and larger disk drive. सर्वर एक पावरफुल कंप्यूटर होते हैं क्लाइंट से। सर्वर हाई स्पीड प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं और उसके मेमोरी लार्ज होते हैं क्लाइंट से। टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क। Networks are commonly classified into three types. According to the geographical boundaries, these classifications are LAN, local area network; MAN, metropolitan area network; WAN, wide area network. Number first, local area network, LAN. A local area network, LAN, is a computer network if it is contained within a closed or small area, such as a home, school, small office building, etc. In LAN, since distances are limited, therefore data can be transmitted at a very fast rate. There is also a limit on the number of computers that can be attached to a single LAN. Number 2, metropolitan area network, MAN. Metropolitan area network, MAN, is a computer network that usually covers a city or a large campus. It covers a large geographical area than LAN. और LAN से ज़्यादा एरिया कवर करते हैं, ranging from several blocks of building to entire city. MANs are larger than LANs. मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क लार्ज होते हैं लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क से, बट स्मॉलर देन द WAN, वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क। वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क से स्मॉल होते हैं, जैसे कि हम देखते हैं wide area network, WAN. Wide area network stand for WAN. WAN stand for wide area network. It is a network that covers a broad area, such as different provinces, countries, and contains normally WAN consists of two or more interconnected lanes or MANs. इसमें दो से ज़्यादा नेटवर्क इंटरकनेक्टेड होते हैं, LAN और MAN. Large businesses and government departments are the users of whales. Wide area network is expensive than land. लोकल area network से expensive होते हैं. Computer connected to a wide area network are often connected through public network using DSL or telephone line. Wide area network can also be connected through satellite और satellite के साथ भी connect होते हैं. Bluetooth. What is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless technology. It is used to communicate between two or more devices over short distance. Bluetooth, a wireless technology. ये दो या दो से ज़्यादा डिवाइस को आपस में शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस में कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Typically up to 32 feet or 10 meters or 32 feet or 10 meters में काम कर सकते हैं. It is used to link cell phone, computers and other network devices.